How does a perfect sign product come about? Welcome back to our channel. Here is LCSIGN. What's up, homie? I'm Tony. Today I'll take the LED luminous letter sign as an example to show you how the LCSIGN sign goes from the design drift to the perfect finished product step by step and is successfully delivered to your hands. After placing the order, we need to confirm product requirements based on the product types, style, specifications, and other information you provide. After the requirements are determined, designers will design the product and output the corresponding product design draft to facilitate post-processing and production. Process, cut, and fold product materials according to design drawings to facilitate further processing. The process mold is polished and grounded to create a more texture, appearance, and feel. After the mold is colored according to product requirements, the basic mold manufacturing is completed. After the mold is made, the LED light source is manually installed inside. Assemble the various components of the product, and the production of the finished products is basically completed. Conduct quality inspection of finished products, including checking whether the lighting and effects are correct, whether the size matches the appearance, whether there are quality problems, etc. Cleaning the surface and packaging the product to reduce friction and breakage during transportation and arrange logistics companies for transportation. From then on, a simple draft went through layers of rigorous production process and turned into a perfect sign product. All you need to do is to wait for the product to arrive at your place. Every sign of LCSIGN embodies the efforts and hard work of all employees, striving to meet your needs on the greatest extent, give you the best shopping experience, and make your life and career become better with the company of our products. Thank you for choosing LCSIGN. Remember to follow and see you next time.